Hi, this is Jeannie. What you're about to watch is what I did for a wonderful agent in my office. I was going to be hosting an open house for him this past weekend, and after seeing the home, I just knew it needed a new set of professional photos. It needed a video to showcase all of its amazing features. So take a look, and I will see you at the end. Hi friends, this is Dominguez with Remax Regal. I'm coming to you live from Escondido. I'm surrounded by the Kaywood Forest. I'm at 25725 Forest Drive, and I just am so excited to share with you this home. Coming inside, I want to show you my favorite parts. So just wait till you see how much love and care went into this custom built home. This is my favorite room. This gorgeous kitchen, beautiful cabinets, hand-picked granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. This home is amazing for entertaining. We have 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Let's go take a look at the rest. So what did you think? Pretty amazing, right? Just imagine how much fun and memories you guys are going to make living in this home with this beautiful pool, 1-acre lot. I'm Jeannie Dominguez. If you want more information or your own personal tour of this home, please just give me a call. So as you saw, presentation really is everything. That's why I love using video to market my properties. I'm Jeannie Dominguez. If you are thinking of selling your home, reach out to me. Let's sit down and talk about what I can do for you.